I want to do a quick review on the Bridgestone Potenza Sports that we got for the Tesla. I just got a new set. This was after nearly 30,000 miles of driving, and I think we would have got longer life, but I wanted to share this tip that I discovered over time. So I did by the factory recommendation of doing 42 pounds for the tires, but I did 42 on these. And just let you know, these are on the Tesla Model 3 Performance, from 235 3520s to 265 3519s that I have on here. Much lighter, forged redwood performance forged wheels. And these are the Bridgestone Potenza Sports. These are brand spanking new. Just want to share the tread marks and stuff. So what we had after 30,000 miles, rotating them evenly because all-wheel drive, so we did the old pattern changing. But these tires, in terms of feedback and everything, they're absolutely awesome. My wife loves them. She uses it for daily, and we do a little corner carving with them. But what we learned is at 42 pounds, it wears out the center faster than the outsides. So the center area right here was getting worn out a little quicker at 42. So we're thinking now we're going to probably get it bound to like 41. I don't think it will affect efficiency that much, but we'll see if we can get closer to the mark of these things supposedly last to 50,000 miles. That's not bad, 30,000 miles on these performance, and we drive pretty spirited and then cruise daily as well. But yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to share. In terms of like reviews on how well they handled, they're absolutely magnificent with the combination with the redwood coilovers that are on the car that are holding up pretty well. So when you put redwood performance coilovers from them on here, what you're going to find is you're going to overwhelm the stock tires that we have right here, because they were designed for factory stock. When you go around corners and stuff, it's easy. You can actually like break these tires loose when you go around a corner and then accelerate, and you can kind of drift out a little bit easier. It gives you more confidence. We do have the anti-sway bar kits too, end links, upper control arms, stuff like that on the setup, so it just gives you so much feel. And it gets overwhelmed by these little skinny tires on such a large car, heavy 4,000 pound car, got 235s. So that's why we went with redwoods. Also Black Friday deals with the forged, and these now they take these to elevate it to the next level. You got 30 mil more wider tire, a lot more grip. These Bridgestone Potenza Sports are awesome. They feel really you can feel the feedback in the steering wheel when you go around the corners and stuff. The ride is relatively compliant for what they are, performance tires. And it's just, that's the way my wife likes it set up. She wants to feel the road, so we set it up that way. So she feels a little more bumps, eliminates a little bit of the numbness in the steering wheel with all those upgrades. But yeah, so I just wanted to share that. And like I said, 42 pounds after 30,000 miles. The wear mark over here was getting low. This is the center. It was getting a little bit lower than the outer marks that are right here. So that means it was bulging a little too much air pressure. So I'm going to reduce it to like 41 or 40 and see how it goes. 41, because then they stand a little too tall. So now they're about 41. That's why I set it. And we're just going to drive a few thousand miles, and I'll try to take little measurements here and just monitor that. But I just wanted to share that with Bridgestone Potenza Sports. If you get that and you fill it to 42 and your alignment's good and everything, your centers are going to wear out first, because apparently the car's not weighted that much to press it down, Either that or the sidewalls are a little strong on these. But anyways, that's my discovery on that. And thanks for watching.